Welcome to our complete guide on using your PS5 controller for mobile gaming in 2025. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about which mobile devices are compatible with the PS5 controller. Connecting your controller to your mobile device is easy. Here's how. Let's set up Bluetooth. Open your device settings and ensure Bluetooth is on. Now, configure your in-game settings for optimal performance with your controller. Let's look at how you can use your PS5 controller with popular mobile games. Facing connection issues? Don't worry, here are some common troubleshooting tips. You can customize controls and mapping to suit your gaming style. Here's how to do it. So, what are the benefits of using the PS5 controller for mobile gaming? Let's recap. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you dominate your mobile gaming experience.